Most slides have a layout, a predefined arrangement of placeholders for text or objects, such as charts or pictures. PowerPoint has a variety of built-in layouts that you can use at any time. Layouts are shown in the layout gallery as thumbnails, small pictures showing each available layout. A gallery is a collection of thumbnail images. Choose the layout that is best suited to display the text or objects you want to place on the slide. You can change a slide's layout at any time to arrange text or objects on the slide exactly the way you want. When you create a presentation, you can choose any of the fonts installed on the computer. When you present the presentation on another computer that does not have the same font installed that you used in the presentation, PowerPoint substitutes a different font, which may or may not be acceptable to you. To ensure that the correct font is always available no matter what computer you open the presentation on, you can embed the fonts in the presentation file. The disadvantage in embedding fonts is that it makes the presentation file larger. PowerPoint's templates give you a jump start in creating complete presentations. A template is a reusable sample file that includes a background, layouts, coordinating fonts, and other design elements that work together to create an attractive, finished slideshow. Templates may, but are not required to, contain sample content too. Each template employs one or more themes. A theme is a collection of settings including colors, fonts, background graphics, bullet graphics, and margin and placement settings. You can create your own templates or download new ones from office.com. Just a note, you can change a presentation's theme from the Design tab. You do not have to create a new presentation based on a template just to get a new look. A template sample slides can provide a basic structure as a starting point, but you will probably want to make some changes. In PowerPoint it is easy to add, delete, and reorder the slides in a presentation to suit your unique needs. You can add as many new slides as you want to a presentation. You can insert a new slide into the current presentation in two different ways. Using the New Slide command on the ribbon. Or, you can also right-click on the Slides pane. You can also add a slide using the Outline view. On the View tab, click the Outline View button to switch to Outline View. In the Outline pane, click to place the text insertion point after the word socks in Slide 2 and press Enter, creating a new paragraph. At this point the new paragraph is a bullet on Slide 2. Press Shift and Tab. The new paragraph is promoted into a new slide title. The orange rectangle to the left of the line indicates it is a new slide. Now let's add some text in this outline view. Type clearance items and press Enter. A new slide appears. Because the previous paragraph was a slide title, the new one is too. Press Tab. The new paragraph is indented so that it is a bullet on the clearance items slide. Now we can add text as bulleted items. Now let's all take a break from PowerPoint for a second to notice how bad Mike is at spelling spelunking. Watching him try and spell that would be like watching a deer skate on ice. It's pretty bad, like super bad. And he teaches grammar. Way to go, Mike. It only took you 50 tries. If you want several similar slides in a presentation, you may be able to save some time by duplicating some of the slides and then modifying the copies. You can even make duplicates of slides that are not adjacent to each other. These are called non-contiguous slides. Let's duplicate non-contiguous slides together. First, click the Slide Sorter button on the View tab to switch to Slide Sorter view. The presentation slides appear together in a single pane. Then, click Slide 4. An orange outline appears around it, indicating that it is selected. Now, hold down Ctrl and click Slide 7. An orange outline appears around it too. Click the Home tab and click Copy. The two slides are copied to the clipboard. Click to the right of Slide 9. A vertical line appears there. On the Home tab, click Paste. Click Slide 2, This Year's New Products, to select it. On the Home tab, open the New Slide Buttons drop-down list. Click Duplicate selected slides. A copy of Slide 2 is pasted directly following the original Slide 2. Slide Sorter View is probably the best place to go if you want to rearrange your slides. But, you can also rearrange them in normal view on the left panel. Lastly, you can also use the clipboard to cut, copy, or paste the slides wherever you need them to go. You can also delete your slides in both normal and Slide Sorter View by simply right-clicking your mouse, and then press Delete. If the content you want to present already exists in another form, it makes sense to reuse it rather than starting from scratch. PowerPoint imports content easily from a variety of formats, including Word outlines, other PowerPoint presentations, and slide libraries. Let's start from a Word outline. In PowerPoint, click the File tab. Click Open to display the Open tab of Backstage View. Navigate to the folder that contains the data files for this lesson. Open the File Type drop-down list by clicking the All PowerPoint Presentations button. In the File Type list, click All Outlines. The file listing in the dialog box changes to Show Outlines, including Word documents. The file location is the same. The only thing that's changed is the filter that determines which file types are displayed. Click Computer Use Policy DOCX. Click the Open button. After importing data from a Word outline or other external source, you may find that the outline levels are not set as you would like them for some text. You can promote a paragraph to make it a higher level in the outline, or demote it to make it a lower level. You can press Tab to demote a bullet point. Or you can press the Increase List Level button in the paragraph group under the Home tab. Here is also a cool PowerPoint magic trick. You can press Shift and Tab to promote a bullet point to its own slide. Isn't that amazing? It almost makes up for Mike's horrible spelling job. Now we are going to reuse or merge two separate PowerPoints. Here is a presentation from one of Mike's students. She enjoys the color pink. She can use the New Slide drop-down button to merge her slides with a peer in the class. First you would click Reuse Slides at the bottom of the drop-down menu, then browse for the slides you want. If you want to keep the theme consistent, don't click on Keep Source Formatting checkbox. But if you want the two design styles to show, you would click the checkbox to keep the presentation style the same. Now click on the individual slides in the order you want to import these into the original presentation. You could add more in the same way or exit if you are finished. PowerPoint readily accepts text from almost any Windows application. One way to import text is to use the clipboard, because nearly all Windows applications support clipboard use. You can use the Paste Options icon after pasting text to choose how it will be pasted, or use Paste Special to select special pasting methods. Start Microsoft Word, and open the Other Resources document in it. The procedure for opening files in Word is the same as in PowerPoint. Switch to Microsoft PowerPoint, and open Cashier Training. Save it as Cashier Training Final. Switch to Outline View, and scroll down to the bottom of the presentation in the Outline pane. Click after the last bullet point on the last slide and press Enter, creating a new bulleted paragraph. Press Shift and Tab to promote the new paragraph to a new slide. Using the Windows taskbar, switch to the Other Resources file in Word. Select the heading, Other Resources, and press Ctrl and C to copy it to the clipboard. Switch back to PowerPoint. If the insertion point is not already on the outline pane next to the Slide 9 icon, click to place it there. Press Ctrl and V to paste the text. The text appears as the slide's title, and the Paste Options icon appears beside the text. If you do not see the icon, move the mouse pointer over Slide 9's icon to the left of the pasted text. Click the Paste Options icon to open its menu. Its menu contains the Paste Options icons. Click Keep Source Formatting, the second icon from the left. The pasted text's font changes to the original font it had in the Word document. Switch to the Other Resources file in Word, and select the bulleted list. Press Ctrl and C to copy it to the clipboard. Switch to PowerPoint, and click the Click to Add Text placeholder on the left side of the slide, in the slide pane, to move the insertion point into that text box. On the Home tab of the ribbon, click the Paste button drop-down arrow. A menu opens, containing the same types of icons as found on the Paste Options icons menu, and also containing a Paste Special command. Click Paste Special. The Paste Special dialog box opens. Verify that the Paste Option button is selected. On the As list, click Formatted Text, RTF. Click OK. The text is pasted into the slide, keeping the text's original formatting. The text overflows the placeholder's borders. That is normal at this point. Triple-click the last bullet on the slide, Special Training, to select the entire bullet, and press Ctrl and X to cut the bullet to the clipboard. Click in the Click to Add Text placeholder on the right side of the slide. And press Ctrl and V to paste the bullet into that placeholder. In the Slides pane in Normal View, click between Slides 8 and 9. A horizontal line appears between them. On the Home tab, click the down arrow below the New Slide button, opening a menu, and then click Slides from Outline. In the Insert Outline dialog box, navigate to the data files for this lesson, select Contacts.txt, and click Insert. A new slide appears containing the content from Contacts.txt. Save the Cashier Training final presentation. You can also add notes to your slides in the Normal View in the Notes pane. Another option is to add notes in the Notes page view. Also, you can print your presentation 4 different ways. Full-page slides, 1 slide prints per page as large as possible. Notes pages, 1 slide prints per page with any notes below it. Outline, the text of the presentation prints in outline form. Graphics do not print. Handouts, multiple slides print per page, designed for distribution to an audience. The exact number depends on the setting you choose, between 2 and 9 slides per page.